Yeah, so hello guys. As you are aware or might not be aware, this is your Guru B, Olano Tieblo, and it's been quite a long time since I did the last video, but it is the Christmas season, so I thought it wise to do something at least before we end the year to get back to you guys through another video, and I hope this thing is going to spice up your day. And it is my way of saying Merry Christmas to you and your family. It's just something that I did and I thought it was to share with you. It is an alarm system using Python programming only. So this is the code here. And then what this code is going to do, as a quick wrap up, we import a lot of Python models because of what the project is actually going to do. Mainly, we're going to work with date time and time. That's the main models there. The other ones are also useful, but that's the main effect there. So what we are saying here on line 10, we are trying to create a TXT file that is going to hold different links. And these links are going to be things that we want to see as the end result. So this line is saying that if this TXT file is not present, we should try to create one. So it will try to create by using this instruction on the screen so that you can see it. But this one is going to work in the back end. So we're going to create a TXT file that is called Guru B alarm. But then it's going to get created, and then we're going to rename this entire Guru B alarm TXT file as alarm file. So that will be the new name. Okay. Fast forward, I put this this link, and this link is a Merry Christmas song or carols, and it's going to play once the time that I'm going to set as the alarm, once that time reaches. So fast forward is going to check the input from the user to identify the hour, the minute, and the seconds. And that's why these three sections are done. It's going to check the hour, the minute, and the seconds, equating it to 60 seconds, make a minute, 60 minutes, make 1 hour, and all of that thing, 24 hours, make 1 day, and all of that. So that's what it's doing right here in this block. And then moving forward, we're going to now ask the user, basically me. So the program always asks me like, when do you want to wake up? So I'm going to set up an alarm time by importing my time here, the time that I want to wake up. And then after I do that, it's going to save that. But basically, it's going to get that as an integer variable. And yeah, I'm going to use that. So if we enter the wrong time, it's going to tell us to enter the time in hour and minute, or hour, minute, and seconds. So that's the only format we are taking. If you enter different format, you're going to be asked to re-enter it. And then we just try to convert the time from seconds to minute, minute to hour, and all of that. That's what we are doing all here. All of these parts, that's what we are doing there. And now we're going to say that after we import the time, it's going to tell us when the alarm is going to go off. So it's going to get displayed, giving us the time difference. Based on our import, it's going to calculate the time and then tell us when the alarm is going to go off. Then it's going to give us this message to say Merry Christmas, Mr. Blow, and wake up, Guru B, it's Christmas. So that's the message I'm going to get on this terminal once the time that I set have arrived or reaches. So fast forward, let me just run this code here and see. So I'm going to call this program is save in drive G as Guru alarm to py. Now it's going to ask me, hey Guru, when do you want to wake up? Maybe currently my time here it's is 4:55 on December 24th. But then, like, I'm in China, so this system, the timing is not basically in a GMT format of a China time. So since it's 4:55, I'm going to use the GMT time, the equivalent, that is 16, but then I want to maybe run it at 57, okay? So the alarm can start up at 57. I can set it up to say maybe at 00, that is 12 o'clock midnight on December 25th, then you can run. So it depends on what time that I set here. The system is going to get my current time, and that's why I have it in this variable for like down here, like here, right? It's going to do that for me. So it's going to get whatever time that I have and do that. So my time, it says that it will be your alarm will go off in this number of seconds. So let's see what it's going to do. Once the time reaches, notice that I'm not going to open up the browser. It's going to automatically open up the browser and then automatically search for the particular video that I imported, which is oh, okay, I've already reached. I should open up my browser. Okay, it's opening up. Now it's going to find that video that I want to play. So it could be whatever thing, right? It could be something maybe about turn on the light. If I have a smart switch, I have a smart LED, it could turn on the fan, it could turn on the air conditioner, it could turn on whatever input that I want, so I can modify this program, but not to make it more complex. And since it's all about Christmas, I just thought it wise to give us something about Christmas. Hey Buddy, why are you taking time? So it should bring up the video right here. I think you can see from the title here, we wish you Merry Christmas. There's the song that is going to play. I don't know why this is bluffing, but there's a song that's going to play. Maybe I don't know, I shouldn't have touched anything. I don't want to touch anything here. I just wanted to do everything all by itself, so as the program actually meant for it to do. So I hope you get the concept, and wishing you a very, very prosperous festive season and a happy new year to you and your family. I see you in next year, January, February, where I'm going to launch more videos on different topics, on Arduinos, on web development, on database management. There is a new database management system coming up called Neo4j. It's a graph database, and I also like to introduce that to you guys. So I have a whole lot coming up that I'm storing right here from my end to give to you guys in the winter vacation. So that's it, and Saijin, goodbye, Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your friends. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bring us something important. Bring us something important.
Okay, so that's it. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I told you goodbye, right? But then here, if you check here, you see the message that it displays like Merry Christmas, Mr. Blood, wake up, it's Christmas. So that's it. Goodbye for real.